Hey everybody, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be going over some basic maintenance on our Comp Orange New Edge here in the shop. Today we'll be removing and cleaning the mass airflow sensor. The main function of the mass airflow sensor is to let the PCM know how much air is coming into the engine so the computer can determine how much fuel is needed. If this sensor is dirty or contaminated, this can cause many different drivability issues across the board. Here are the steps needed to remove and clean this sensor. You want to begin with disconnecting the negative battery cable. Remove the intake tube from the throttle body to the mass airflow. In our particular application, we have an aftermarket cold air intake. Remove all associated hardware from the MAF housing and completely remove this from the engine bay. Next, using a quality lint-free cloth, wipe down the inside of the tube. Make sure that you do not physically touch the sensor itself. This could cause damage to the sensor. Check for any dirt, debris, or even bugs within the housing and clean this accordingly. Make sure you're using a standard off-the-shelf mass airflow cleaner from your local auto parts store. Spray 10 to 15 sprays of cleaner onto the sensor wires and the sensor hot plate. Make sure you clean this thoroughly. Make sure that the sensor is left to dry for a little while and make sure that it's completely dry of any cleaner residue before you reassemble. Next, you can reverse the procedure and take the car for a test drive to ensure you have no check engine lights. Now you're all complete. This cleaning process is a simple way to keep your Mustang's electrical system up to par. Many of us let parts sit on the shelf while building our projects, and something as simple as a dirty mass airflow can cause many different issues. Overall, this will take you about a half an hour to complete, and you'll be happy you did this one in the long run. As always, like and subscribe to our channel, make sure to turn on notifications, and keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.